Hi, I'm Kelsey Stoughton, a Senior Product Marketing Manager here at Nu Skin. And today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite products, New Color Bioadaptive BB Plus Skin Loving Foundation. What makes it so great is the unique hybrid formula. It combines the appearance-enhancing abilities of a premium foundation with all the best qualities of BB cream. Plus, it contains special bioadaptive ingredient to help skin resist stressors and adapt to its environment. Simply put, Bioadaptive BB Plus blurs flaws, really improving the way your skin looks while it helps nourish and protect at the same time. And unlike a lot of foundations, it never ever feels heavy or cakey, and it doesn't sit into your pores or wrinkles. Instead, this multitasking formula gives you a radiant, photo-ready finish that looks gorgeous and natural all day long. That's because Bioadaptive BB Plus is packed with incredible benefits. It helps skin resist stress and adapt to its environment with cocoa seed extract, a bioadaptive ingredient. It provides long-lasting hydration with a blend of hyaluronic acid and rose ferment. It diminishes the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It feels comfortable on, never heavy or cakey. It provides long-lasting, all-day coverage. It helps control shine and oil breakthrough. It blurs imperfections with a luminous finish that helps even out your skin tone. And it's available in clinically evaluated shades for a wide variety of skin tones. Another thing that is so great about Bioadaptive BB Plus is that it has adjustable coverage, which means you can control the look of the finish from sheer to medium coverage. I would love to share my #1 makeup tip, which is always have clean hands and a clean face. In fact, I like using Agelec Lumi Spa first because it gets my skin in such good shape beforehand. Anyway, the main idea is to make sure your skin is properly prepared, which means your skin has been cleansed, toned, and moisturized. My second favorite tip is good lighting. It's key to getting a natural looking finish. Natural light is the best, but if you're applying your makeup somewhere without a window, I highly recommend investing in a high quality makeup light. There are some excellent ones out there that basically mimic natural light. Next up is application. I personally like applying BB Plus with my fingers for a quick and easy application, but that's just me. If you're a beauty blender type of person, or if you prefer using a foundation brush, go ahead and use one of those. It's all about personal preference. The formula layers on really well, so it's super easy to control the amount of coverage. If an area needs a little bit more concealing, I add a little more BB Plus to my finger and then dab it on and gently smooth it in. The great thing is I know my skin will look flawless all day long, thanks to the long-wearing formula. That's why I love BB Plus. Now, I have been asked if Bioadaptive BB Plus can be used on any skin type, and the answer is yes. It's great for all skin types, but I do have a couple of tips for different skin types. If you have oily skin, something you might want to do is apply translucent powder after you've applied BB Plus. This will help absorb any unwanted oil. But if you have dry skin, you'll definitely want to apply a serum and a moisturizer to ensure you have the perfect canvas before applying BB Plus. Another good tip is after applying foundation with your fingers or your foundation brush, use a beauty blender to gently blot your face. Make sure you dampen it first. This will help you achieve a more natural finish. I hope you found these tips and tricks useful. If you want happier skin, treat it to makeup that acts like skincare. Not only does Bioadaptive BB Plus foundation act like skincare, but it truly loves your skin too. And I promise that you're going to love it too.